That camper is a beaut, Clark. Look at that thing. It is time for some truck camper improvement. What's up, Salmon Nation? We're back. We're doing a little camper improvement, not home improvement, camper improvement. Because I chipped a piece of the linoleum with one of my kite boards when it was cold. You know, when you live in Michigan, you know, this kind of stuff happens. Stuff gets brittle in the cold. So we're gonna fix the floor today. Right now it's pretty much just all plywood, you can see there. And it's 43 degrees, it's windy, it's cold, it's springtime. And we're gonna install some 100% waterproof ridge core vinyl plank flooring. Stay tuned. Okay, there it is, 100% waterproof, pet friendly, kid friendly, Sama friendly. Put whatever you want on it, lifetime warranty, $219 a square foot, kind of goodness. And it's gonna go right in here in the camper. As you can see, I spent a lot of time on my hands and knees in here getting the linoleum glue up. So it's a real small space for our truck camper missions, and we wanna put some killer flooring down so we're ready to put bikes and kites and sand and all that kind of dog hair stuff that we bring with us. Here we go. Okay, we can see you got a couple of runs in here. Okay, one of the things you got to remember is you got to match this edge up, so you got to kind of measure for that distance for there, but then you got to cut the other end because the cut end needs to go over here and the actual male-female end can meet up there. So that, yeah, I made one mistake, one cut already that was wrong that way. Keep that in mind. So yeah, you just want to kind of take the wood block, you got a rubber mallet here, just seat it, especially over here. You know, as you cut, sometimes the cuts aren't exactly perfect with the razor knife. So when you use the mallet and give it a little tap, it seats it in there good. It's not the kind you kind of have to snap down in, but it's pretty easy to seat. So that's kind of a cool function of this product. Okay, so this little cut piece here is going to be kind of a pain. Got it to fit together. There's a gap. It's going to be kind of a challenge, but I think I'm just going to trim this out with some aluminum carpet trim or some rolled round, something like that. This cut under here will be a little challenging, but for the most part, you know, I think it's starting to look pretty high rip. Pretty cool. Okay, looking pretty good so far. Gotta still do under there, into the little flip out bed section, but yeah, looks pretty good thus far. I'm gonna have to get some trim for that section, but yeah, and it matches about, you know, about perfect once we usually do. Okay, so we got a little trim we're gonna put back in here. It's looking pretty good. It's kind of hard to get some of these pieces together, especially if you have the camper and the bed does a little bit of, you know, moving, but I gotta do this trim over here and start putting the aluminum trim back down, and we should be good. So not too bad. Okay, hey, we're finished. So here's the finished product. Take you inside. All right, here we are inside. It's looking pretty smooth. Color came out really nice. It's got this nice aluminum trim that the camper came with, and then I trimmed it out with just a little carpet trim on the other side. There's one gap I still need to fill here, but there's a few sections along this board. When I first started, I got the seams pretty clean in a couple of spots, but there's a few gaps that I guess maybe I could have pounded out better, but I was kind of afraid to break it, and this wall over here is not super straight, so I think it's in there pretty good for a truck camper. But yeah, it's a better part of a weekend little project once you get going and do your trips to Home Depot. But anyways, vinyl plank flooring, Salmon Nation, we are ready to roll. Hey, thanks again for watching. Hit that subscribe button down there if you haven't already. We'll keep you staying soaked in Michigan. We've got some definite product reviews and things that'll come out as well. So, you know, if you're somebody who likes the outdoors, even if you don't live in Michigan, subscribe to the channel. We'll take you on trips, and we'll also give you some product reviews and show you where our favorite spots to go have sessions are at. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.